It feels like something straight out of science fiction. The power to dream up an object in your mind, and then, with a whir and a hum, watch it materialize right before your very eyes. 3D printing has put the magic of creation on our desktops, turning imagination into reality. But for every person who dreams of owning one, there's one big practical question that stops them. How much does this magic actually cost? Are we talking about the price of a new video game or the price of a new car? The answer is yes. The world of 3D printing is vast, with a price range so wide it can be totally confusing. But today, we're going to make it simple. We're going to break it all down, level by level, from the budget-friendly beginner models to the industrial giants that build rocket parts. And trust me, the price for getting started in this amazing hobby is probably a lot lower than you think. Level 1, the entry-level hobbyist, under $300. This is where the magic begins for most people. For less than the price of a new game console, you can get a surprisingly capable 3D printer. At this price point, you are almost exclusively looking at FDM, or fused deposition modeling, printers. These are the classic printers you've seen, the ones that melt a spool of plastic filament and draw an object layer by painstaking layer. Printers in this range are perfect for beginners, students, and tinkerers who want to learn the ropes. You can print everything from tabletop gaming miniatures and household gadgets to replacement parts for other appliances. Now, for under $300, you have to manage your expectations. You might have to do some assembly yourself, and you'll likely be doing manual bed leveling. The print quality will be good, but not perfect. But the thrill of your first successful print? Absolutely priceless. This is the gateway to a much larger world. Level 2, the Prosumer Powerhouses, $300, $1,500. Once you've got the 3D printing bug, you might want to level up. In this price range, the machines get smarter, faster, and much more convenient. Your FDM printers will come with game-changing features like auto bed leveling, which saves you a massive headache. You'll also find larger build volumes, faster print speeds, and more robust construction. These are the workhorse machines for serious hobbyists and small businesses. But this price range also unlocks a completely new dimension of printing. What if you don't care about printing a big, strong bracket? What if you want to print things with such mind-blowing detail that you'd need a magnifying glass to see it all? For that, you need to enter the world of resin printing. Resin, or SLA printers, don't use filament. They use a vat of liquid photopolymer resin and a UV light source to cure it, layer by impossibly thin layer. The results are breathtaking. The details are razor sharp, making them perfect for jewelers, dentists, and anyone who needs to print incredibly intricate models. The trade-off? The resin can be messy and smelly. It requires a post-processing wash and cure, and the build volume is typically smaller. But for pure detail, they are the undisputed champions of the desktop. Level 3, the Professional Workshop, $1,500, $10,000. Now we're moving out of the hobbyist's garage and into the professional workshop. In this tier, you're paying for reliability, speed, and precision. You'll find large-format FDM printers capable of printing huge objects, and professional-grade resin printers that offer incredible accuracy and a seamless user experience. This is also where you start to see other technologies emerge, like SLS, or selective laser sintering, which uses a laser to fuse powdered material, creating incredibly strong and complex parts without the need for supports. These machines are for engineers, designers, and small businesses who rely on 3D printing as a core part of their workflow. It's less of a hobby and more of a serious manufacturing tool. But even these powerful machines are just the tip of the iceberg. Level 4, the industrial giants, $20,000 to over $1 million. What happens when money is no object? You leave the workshop and enter the world of industrial giants, where printers are the size of a small room and their price tags have just as many zeros. We're talking about machines that don't just print plastic. They print metal, using high-powered lasers to fuse titanium or aluminum powder into parts for rockets and Formula One cars. We're talking about massive printers that can create full-scale furniture or car bumpers in a single piece. These are the machines used by companies like Boeing, Nike, and NASA to prototype and manufacture the future. It's a world away from a desktop printer, but it shows the breathtaking scale of what this technology can truly do. Don't forget the hidden costs. So you've picked your printer, but hold on. The price tag on the box is just the entry fee. You need to budget for the consumables. For FDM printers, that's spools of filament, which can range from $20 for a standard roll to over $100 for exotic materials. For resin printers, you'll be buying bottles of liquid resin, which can be even pricier. You'll also need to replace parts over time, like nozzles and build plates. These ongoing costs are part of the hobby, so make sure you factor them in. From a simple gadget maker under $200 to a $1 million metal printing behemoth, there truly is a 3D printer at every level. The magic of creation is more accessible and affordable than it has ever been. So take a look at your budget, think about what you want to create, and get ready to bring your imagination to life.